Hey, hi guys, my name is Raguraj, and since a very long time now, I wanted to start my YouTube channel, and I was waiting for a perfect day, and today is that perfect day. Why today? What happened all of a sudden? Do I have a YouTube studio? Do I have a DSLR camera? Do I know how to edit the videos, or am I mastered in video editing? What happened today that I'm starting my YouTube channel? Um, Today I made up my mind that I'm gonna upload a video in YouTube within few hours. So I'm just recording this and I'm gonna upload this video into YouTube. So uh, so today is my perfect day. I'm gonna start my YouTube channel. I want to share a lot of things with you guys. So if you guys like uh, if you guys like this, go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.